JQ, I just picked up my PS4. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god. I need to play this thing. I need to play it so bad. I need to play this.
Hey guys, Jake here. Decided to do this one on the floor rather than the bed. Thought it was a bit more formal. Anyways, without further ado, this is my PS5. I just want to open this thing. Let's get right into it. And bam, just like that, we are right into it. Okay, Walmart, I see you with the bubble wrap. Nice little packing method. And then right here, upside down, but PS5. Now I actually went through such a struggle to get one of these consoles. I thought I had one pre-ordered and then I didn't, and then I thought I was gonna get the Xbox, and then eventually I got this guy. I ordered it on launch day. Right now is like a week past launch, so it took a couple of days over the weekend, but it's here. Let's get into it. Just a little piece of tape on here, so let's just break that open. Oh yeah, you actually gotta pull the whole, God, please don't fall out. Got the sick little PlayStation logo right on there. Got some nice little instructions on there. Shout out to Sony, telling you how to open the box. Oh, so now I guess, okay, so I can pull out this little box, I guess. It has a controller or something in it. And then right there, ladies and gentlemen, we got the biggest video game console probably ever to release. And here we go. We got ourselves a very, very heavy hunk of plastic. I broke it day one. Whoa, holy crap. This thing is massive. Like, I cannot explain just, it's so tall. I mean, like, I had to adjust my whole bookshelf to fit this thing in because, I mean, it's the biggest game console. It's like the size of an actual VCR. So real quick, let's see what's in the box here. So in the box right here, got a couple things. Just the basic, like, starter user manual. Power cable, I guess, wrapped up really tight. Yeah, it's regular power cable. What the hell is it? Oh, this is the stand. Ah, I see. So they do include an HDMI cable. I don't know if it's 2.1. I hope it's HDMI 2.1 that it comes with. And then here we got, see, this is the stupidest thing about this console that I can't get over. So they include this stand with it because apparently the console, it's not meant to actually stand up on its own. Like, it can stand upright, but you're supposed to actually use the stand when it's upright. I don't know if it's like, I guess for ventilation or something, but yeah, man, this thing is a little weird. I think I might have to actually try putting that on. We'll see that after. And then in here, nice little USB-C cable to charge the last thing in here, which is the controller. So I actually did get the chance to hold one of these at Best Buy recently, but this is mine, so I just want to take another look at it. Man, I gotta say, the first thing that I said when I held this is the best controller I've held. I mean, I've always preferred the design of the Xbox controllers over PlayStation. PS3 controller I hated, PS4 controller I didn't really like, but it was better. This feels like an Xbox controller, and aside from the joystick placement, I'm talking more about the handles. I mean, the grips are like nice, they're sharp, they're comfy. They're a lot better for people with bigger hands. Like the PS4 controller, I always felt was way too small, so this is much nicer. And also the color on it actually looks pretty cool. I thought the design of it looked kind of cheesy, but I gotta say it does look better in person. But yeah, that about does it for the unboxing. Now I'm gonna take a look into this stupid thing, the stand. So I do know that there's a screw hidden in it. Yeah, there you go. Oh I thought I broke it. Yeah, I was about to read the instructions, man. I think it's pretty hard to get out. I mean, I guess at least it won't fall out, but alright. So yeah, so it makes sense. So when you put it upright, it has to be like this, and when you put it on its side, it's gotta be like that. So there you go, base is on there nice and tight. So voila, that's what it looks like with the base on. So yeah, I assume you have to use the base just for ventilation, but anyways, I'm not gonna go too deep into that. This video is already too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will probably be posting a first kind of impressions of it pretty soon, like a little mini review. But this is just the unboxing, so again, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.